My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. In this video tutorial, I will explain how to arrange the decimal sequence in ascending and descending order. It is very important to know about the equivalent decimal to understand the decimal sequence. Let's see one example of equivalent decimal. We have two squares right now. Left side, we have a green square. 5 out of 10 is selected, so I can write 0.5 to represent the quantity. Similarly, look at the right side. We have a square which is divided into 100 pieces, and out of 100, 50 of them are selected, so I can write 0.50 to represent the quantity. Using this graph, we can clearly see 0.5 equal to 0.50. So if we have only one digit after decimal, it means something is divided into 10 pieces, and out of 10, this number is selected. So out of 10, 5 is selected. Similarly, right side we have 0.50. So after decimal we have two digits. If we have two digits after decimal, it means out of 100, 50 is selected. Now when you compare the quantity, so 0.5 refers to 5 columns. Similarly 0.50 also refers to 5 columns. So both sides we have only 5 columns. So both of them are representing half of the quantity. So it means 0.5 is equal to 0.50. So both of them are same. So both of them are equivalent decimal. Now we can clearly say there is no value of 0 if it is at end after the decimal. So 0 has no value if it is at end after the decimal. So we are using this concept to understand ascending and descending order of decimals. Let's see some examples. Ascending order. We have a first question now. We have 5 numbers. To arrange it, first we should focus on the whole number, then we should examine the decimal places. First, look at the whole number. We have 1 and 2. First, I will consider the whole number 1 separately here. You can see. So, first number is 1.03, then 1.003 and 1.3. If you look at these numbers, the number of digits after decimal are not same. So they are different. We have different number of digits. So we can't arrange directly. First we should make them like decimal. To make the like decimal is very easy. Just we should add 0 at the ending. Just to know, we have seen in equivalent decimal, if we add 0 at the ending, it doesn't change the value. So I will add 0 at the ending. See, so 1.030, 1.003, because it is already, we have 3 digits, so no need to add the 0. 1.300. I added 20 here to make the 3 digit. Now we have equal number of digit. Now I can arrange order wise very easily. So second one is 3. This is the smaller quantity. This is 1. This is 30. So it must be second. So 300, it is bigger. So it must be the third number. Okay. So I arrange the whole number 1 order wise. So we have pending 2. Now first number has 3 digit after decimal, second has 2 digit. So what I will do is I will add 0 to make them 3 digit after decimal. So 0.2.002 and 2.020. Now you can see we have 3 digit after decimal in both numbers. Now we can compare very easily. 002 is lesser than 020. We can say 2 is lesser than 20. So it must be 4 and it must be 5. Now you can see the first number is 1.003. This is the first number. Similarly, 1.03 is the second one. 1.3 will be the third one. 2.002 will be the fourth one. and 2.02 will be the fifth one. This is ascending order. The ascending order means the arrangement of number from small to big. So we have done now I will show in the screen. Let's see one more example in the ascending order. We have four numbers right now in the screen. The whole number is common 8, but the number of digit after decimal are not equal. First number has only 2 digit, second has 3 digit, and third has 3 digit, and fourth has only 1 digit. So the number of digits after decimal are not equal. So what we should do is, first we should make the number of digit equal by adding 0 at the end. Now it's done. You can see we are adding 0 in the first and last to make equal. Now you can see all the numbers have 3 digits after decimal. Now we can compare, we can arrange very easily. So 13 is a smaller one, and 59, then 60, then 300. Now based on that I can arrange the numbers. Let's see descending order. So descending order is the reverse of ascending order. Just we should arrange reversely. I mean from big to small. So descending order means the arrangement of number from big to small. So first we should look at the whole number. So here we have two different whole numbers. Two numbers are starting from 0 and two of them are starting from 1. So first I will write 1. You can see. So first one has 0, 4. It is smaller than 14. So it must be, so 14 must be 1 because we are arranging in descending order. So descending order means we should take the big one first. So this will be the first one and 0, 4 will be the second one. Similarly, now we have 0.04 and 0.14. Bigger is 14, so it must be third, and the last is 4. So I arrange the numbers in blue color, you can see. Let's see one more example in the descending order. So we have a whole number common 7. All of them are 7, but the number of digit after decimal are not equal. So we will follow the same method, convert them into like decimals just by adding 0. Now I added 0 here, you can see, to make the number of digits equal after decimal. Now we can compare very easily. So you can see 20. 20 is the smaller one. So this is the first one. 20. Sorry, we are arranging in descending order. So descending order means I must take the bigger one first. Bigger one here is 230. So it must be first. 7.23 must be first. Then 200, it must be second. And 162, it must be third. And 20 is the least one, so it should be 4. So it means 7.02 will be the last.